So for this week's trades of the week starting the 23rd of September, a bit of an update really from last week. We had a number of markets go on, hit targets last week, particularly just ahead of the FOMC statement on Wednesday evening. So some great moves, stocks, a number of FX pairs as well, moving on very nicely, and gold as well. We're going to look at some of those today. We hit target on a lot of those US indices the week before last, so nothing really to add to there. I mean, we're sort of watching for opportunities at the moment as those markets broke to new all-time highs, mostly the S&Ps, the Dow, DAX breaking to new all-time highs there. So we're already out of those trades. We've already taken profits on those buying opportunities from the beginning of September. So what have we got to talk about this week? Well, the BUND has been a nice trade, and this is a market that's not really traded a lot by retail traders, heavily traded by institutional traders. This is a market that's been breaking down and down and down quite heavily, really. And we've got very much a downward trend here on the longer term charts, that monthly very clearly demonstrating that downward path on the BUND there. If I just quickly refer to that monthly chart, what we're looking at here is this line here. It's red. This tells me I should favor the shorts. So what does this mean? Well, if I'm going to favor the shorts, but I get a sniper buy, it means I can take it, but I need to be looking to take profits quickly. What's more likely to happen is likely to get a small rally, followed by a bigger move back down to fresh lows. That's talking several chess moves ahead, obviously, but the point being that the sniper gives us a move against the trend. We can take it, we can take profits quickly, and then we can stand aside and see what the market's more likely to do. Probability suggests a bigger move back down. What about target-wise? Classic pattern. Market rallying to the last support level, 139.44. Great level, great hit of that resistance, and the market's fallen some 140 points or so from those levels. But a nice move on the BUND nonetheless, and leads us into quite nicely some of the more textbook markets that have been moving this week. Starting off with the euro-dollar, classic trade on euro-dollar here. Strong uptrend on the euro-dollar on the monthly chart. Gave us a nice opportunity to buy here on the 9th of September. Now, when we look to the markets, we were about here last week when we did the trading video, trades of the week. FOMC, market rocketed up to our target zone. A strong uptrend. This is a buy, swing trade, trend signal below 25, vector average turning from red to green as well. End of this bar, so 132.52 is our buy. Target, this line here, top of that price envelope. Really easy to identify that. So in this example, you're looking at pretty much 250 points there in that target zone for that trade. Risking maybe a couple of hundred, maybe 150 points, something like that. A nice trade, hitting that target zone. We're just pausing from there really, but that FOMC notching us to target very, very nicely indeed. That was euro-dollar, very, very nice move. And a number of those other dollar majors, the biggest markets we like to look at in these videos. Dollar CAD, lovely swing short there on the 5th of September. Market then achieving that target there just last week as well, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, if not already. Certainly looking to take profits there. Market now basing a little bit, and we're just considering potential longs, but those trades are not there yet. So we're just biding our time, waiting for the right signals, but certainly entry there at about 105.03, targeting down at 102.75, and again about another 225 points there, with a pretty modest risk. Lovely trade off resistance there as well. So very much a textbook trade there again on dollar CAD, another one of those major currencies against the US dollar. Moving through to the US dollar against the Swiss franc, again, textbook move. Looking through to the monthly chart once again, the red line here denoting the downtrend for September. We're expecting prices to fall in September, so we then have the opportunity to sell here on the 11th of September, targeting bottom of that price envelope, that green line there. Where do we hit Thursday? The bottom of the price envelope target zone. So entry 93.04, target 90.98. That's about 205, 206 points or so there on the profit. Very nice move. So euro dollar, dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, all negotiating through to hitting targets there. And then finally, just going to leave you through with an absolute whopper from last week. Now, we've been short this market for a little while here. This is the gold, been favouring short. Those trends, the longer term trends are still negative there. And we got on this short here at the beginning of the month. Now, this was back on the 2nd of September at 1391.1, targeting down to 1392.9. Where did we get to? 1391.7. Went, what, couple of 3 or 4 ticks through my target zone? It's not bad, is it? actually hit it bang on. So there's my short, target down to the green line here. Market hit that level just before FOMC there. Fantastic move. See the big rally we've had from there? We've struggled to stay up there and we're just retreating back down. No buy, no reason to buy here, but certainly a good, pretty much bang on 1,000 points there on that gold trade as well there on the dailies. Again, another trade hitting target last week. So what are we trading here? Gold, euro dollar, dollar Canadian, dollar Swiss, the BUND. These are the biggest markets people can trade. We're already sitting on the sidelines on those major indices, having notched up profits before. So these opportunities are great. If you don't have much time to trade, there's still some significant opportunities to make profits on these longer term charts. It's just about knowing how to read your charts, knowing how to read the indicators the right way. And of course, that's what we do. We teach people how to use the indicators that we've developed here. And these daily charts are just fantastic. Do you know what, everybody? Stop watching soaps, stop watching Emmerdale Farm, stop watching Coronation Street. Look at the markets. There's some fantastic opportunities out there. Everybody has time to look at some of these. So 1,000 points on gold, 250 on euro dollar, and a few hundred points elsewhere. Thanks for listening.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.